Hello guys, good morning. Bago tayo magsimula sa ensayo, no guys, no, lalo na Muay Thai, ay kailangan po natin muna mag-stretching, no, sa whole part ng body natin para maging flexible siya, no, at saka maging stretching ang maunat-unat. Ibig ko sabihin maunat-unat yung ating buong kaso-kasuan, yung ating mga nerve at ang ating siyempre hindi tayo mabigla sa training, no. So ipapakita ko, share ko sa inyo yung una-una kong ginagawa bago kami mag-workout. So what's this guys? First is head up and then side, it counts side to side, head down, left and right. So count ka lang ng 8. So ayan, and then sa front, push mo lang din, and then upper side, up. And then next is ayan, then arms, then up, then and go inside, and then this one, side back, and then elbow back, elbow side, and then swing arms, 8 counts. And guys, demo ko lang to, no? So back, basta 8 counts yan, ha? So okay, switching, yan, then alternate, and then swing side to side back, yan. Okay, next gawin natin ang legs. Yan, para stretching ng legs bago tayo sumipa. So inside and back, count ka lang lagi ng 8. And then 8 din dito, count. And left side, front, go inside, back, and front. So next is baywang. So 8 counts din sa twist ng baywang. So back, basta 8 counts yung gagawin natin. So yan. And next, ang tuhod. So 8, basta 8 yung gagawin. Yun. And the last, and back, last, and back. So wide stretching na tayo, no? So yan. So press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And next side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. And then next is push down, up. Okay, stretching na tayo, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan, go inside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pushing down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then alternate. Push down. Dapat yung paa mo nakaganon. Pataas. Yan. And next. Wide. So yan. Dapat naka-flat. Wide. Then up. So squat and then ayun. And then side. So split down. Hindi ko kaya mag-split pa. Tigas. So kahit ko ganyan ganito. 8 counts. Side. Tagilid. Body. Push down. Hindi tumigas na. Next. Stretching natin 8 counts. Okay? So butterfly. Swing. Next, push. Okay, next, wide. Stop. Then go inside. Inside. Down. Side. Okay. So, ayan ang guys, very simple lang na. Okay, mga basic lang muna sa mga beginner. So, sunod yan, mga squat down, 8, back. Yan. 2. So, stretching. 1. Alternate. 2. Front kick. Yan. Then, outside. Then, inside. Outside. Inside. Outside. Inside. Okay, left side naman. Outside. Inside. Outside. Inside. Outside. Inside. Okay, go. Next. Jump. Okay, tapos body condition. Wide. So, tapang. One push up, then up. Inhale. So, one basis mo gagawin. Up. Inhale, exhale. Down. Up. In. How to knee, properly. Attack knee. Basic. 1. Side. 2. 3. Yan na. And left. 1. 2. Side. 3. Yun, ganoon na lagi. So, sana naibigan nyo yung kaunting vlog ko, yung paano tayo magsimula. At susunod na lang natin yung mga basic na lang ng Muay Thai. Maraming salamat po. And happy Tuesday. Good morning sa lahat. Bye-bye.